Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? So today I got a Ridgid 6-gallon pancake air compressor from Home Depot. So I'm gonna go over this. I'm gonna do the unboxing. Right now, if you get it at Home Depot, it's on sale for $99.99 plus tax. So I think I paid like $100 something for it right now. Usually they have it at Home Depot for $130. So at the time of this video, which is October 30th, 2021, they're on sale at Home Depot, just so that you guys know. So a little bit about this pancake air compressor by Ridgid is that, first of all, it's 6-gallon. Secondly, it's got 150 max PSI. Thirdly, 2.6 SC/FM at 90 PSI and 3.5 SC/FM at 40 PSI for high air delivery and maximum performance, whatever that means. Number 4, universal motor for superior starting and low voltage situations. And 5th, best in-class oil-free pump. So this air compressor does not use oil. So here's the other side of the box. Ideal applications: inflating your tires and finish and trim work. So I really don't do much with an air compressor other than inflate tires. Kids' tires on the bicycles. So I just need something small for my garage, just for every now and then when I need to fill up the tires. So this is what I end up getting right here. It's also got these dual universal push to connect couplers on it already, and comes with a Ridgid 3-year limited warranty from the date of purchase. So let me start unboxing it for you guys. Alright, got the operator's manual right here, but I usually just glance over it really quick, and that's about it. So I'm gonna set that there for right now. Let's see. Here she is. Pull it out. Okay. So this is her. This is the Ridgid 6-gallon pancake air compressor. First of all, not too bad. Let's see. Not too heavy. Very compact. And here's the cord. I'll plug it in right now so you guys can hear it and see how loud it is. So I'll go ahead and measure that on my Apple Watch. So I'm in my garage. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna measure the decibels. Let you guys know about that. Don't mind my mess. I'm just a starting YouTuber, so I don't have the money like the other ones. But okay, got her plugged in. Got the Raptor in the background. Now let's see. All right, so the loudest it got was about 93 decibels, which from the watch said was as loud as a blender. So not very loud. It did fill up to like 90 psi relatively quick. What was that? About a minute and a half or something like that. So not very loud. Almost kind of like a motorcycle just running, if you guys ever had a motorcycle, or comparatively to a food blender operating. So not very loud, filled up pretty quick, and it doesn't take up too much space. So I know the only bad things about these is there's no real like air filter on it. It just kind of sucks in whatever air is around here, so you probably wouldn't want to run this in a very dusty condition. But yeah, this is my unboxing of the Ridgid air compressor. I'll do a another review on it if anybody in the comments starts to wonder, hey, how's it performing? How's it lasted? Is it still working? Did you have any problems with it? I'll review it later on if I start to see more comments in the comment section, you know, asking about that. But this video was just mostly an informative video about the air compressor and unboxing it and showing it to you guys and let you know what price I paid for it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it.